3, 2, 1, start. It is a bold step, one that seems intended to force a much needed breakthrough on an issue that has remained a persistent blot on Pakistan's civil rights record. Full stop. The Islamabad High Court has ordered the issuance of notices to every chief executive to have presided over government from the era of retired General Musharraf to the incumbent Prime Minister Shahbaz Sharif. Full stop. They have been asked to either satisfactorily explain their understood approval of the state's undeclared policy of disappearing citizens or face the charge of high treason for knowingly allowing the subversion of civil right laid out in the constitution. Full stop. New para. Chief Justice has also criticized, is no doubt well aware, which organ of the state is actually responsible for the policy in question. Full stop. His decision also hold the country's rulers directly responsible seems to be a considered move to apply pressure on them to refuse in the future any support, understood or otherwise, to powerful factions who operate from the shadows. Full stop. It is necessary for the leadership to take a firm stance. Full stop. A report submitted to the High Court on the performance of the Commission of Inquiry on Enforced Disappearances earlier this year had made clear that efforts to recover missing persons had yielded only modest results, with the Commission sometimes unable to recover even those missing persons whose production orders had been issued by the courts. Full stop. New para. There can be no justification for disappearing any citizen by force, no matter how simple their crime. Full stop. Those who favor and justify this policy claim it is sometimes the only way to check militancy and terrorism, when in fact it represents major failures on their part in preempting, investigating and prosecuting these crimes through the existing legal system. Full stop. These failures only help sustain a brutal cycle of distrust. Enforced disappearances cause more pain, more frustration and deeper feelings of alienation in marginalized communities, which in turn gives them greater cause to support activities. Full stop.